Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here from Ukraine with the update about this is more than 2 years of Russian aggression to Ukraine, and Russia has already occupied lots of territory in four oblast of Ukraine, as you know. And last year, Ukraine started counter attack, but counter attack was not so successful because the territory near in Lugansk and here in Zaporozhye, in Donetsk region, it was heavily mined, and so it's very difficult. And this year, Russia already started attacking Kharkiv Oblast. They entered some of territory, and they are making progress in Donetsk region, in a little bit in Lugansk region. But Ukrainian army is also resisting very tough, and it was not very good counter attack for Russian sides, because they made very less tactical incursion into Ukraine, very less tactical benefits. But 3 days ago, it's a very interesting that Ukrainian army first time with full capacity, with full armor vehicles entered into Sudza near Kursk Oblast in Sudza, and within 3 days, Ukrainian army has made significant gain in the Russian territory, inside Russian territory. Actually, it's the good strategy to wage war inside the country of aggressor. Then people will understand what the war is. Till now, Ukrainian army has already liberated Sudza from Russian dictator Putin. Now the army is entering in the other fronts, and Russia has to pull back their reserve from Zaporozhye, Kharkiv, Donetsk, Lugansk Oblast, and they are so embarrassed that they don't know what to do, how to control the Ukrainian army. This time, Ukrainian army, after 1 year of setbacks, is fully prepared, and Ukrainian army is the mood of give tough reply to the Russian aggression, to push back Russia from the Ukrainian territory. Actually, this is the good strategy, and I actually appreciate this strategy. 1 day ago, Ukrainian army destroyed the Russian armor column in Kursk Oblast, which were coming to boost their army here in Kursk region. But today again, Ukrainian army has hit the Russian armor column with the HIMARS. So Russia is on back foot in Kursk region, because they were making applying their all force to Kharkiv Oblast, to just occupy Kharkiv Oblast, most of Kharkiv Oblast, and it was the Putin's plan to capture 30-40% of Ukraine, and when they sit on the table for negotiation, make a good benefit from this and capture Ukrainian territory. But the first times Ukrainian attack inside Russia in Kursk Oblast has amused all of the world. Actually, we are surprised to see. We are in Ukraine and we are really suffering from these wars, and I have seen so much bombardments with my eyes. So many people, my relatives and my friends, have been killed in this aggression. But this time, it's a very good. This is the appreciation for President Zelensky to make such a strategic decision to reply Russians inside their territory in Kursk. I think within 2 and 3 days, Kursk may fall totally. And today I have listened that in a village Ukrainian army has entered already in Belgorod Oblast, in some villages, and these also reports are coming from Russians bloggers, Russians Telegram channels. Actually, in Ukrainian Telegram channels, we have very limited, because we don't see so much updates. A while ago, Ukrainian army has shut down very modern Russian fighter jets, Sukhoi 34, and in the morning, Ukrainian army has already shut down their helicopter alligators, which come to attack the ground forces of Ukrainian army. So the news will be very interesting within 2 and 3 days, and it will be very good, very interesting. Now the war has turned into very interesting point, because people were sleeping after 2 years, they thought that no, Ukrainian army is very weak, can't resist this very large Russian army. But it's actually the strategy wins the war, and this strategy, it's a game-changing strategy and very well planned strategy. Actually, Russians spy and Russians all the intelligence bureau has totally failed to protect their own people and wage war on the foreign lands. We appreciate, and I will come with more updates very soon about Russian-Ukraine war. Please subscribe the channel, support me. I am from Ukraine and we are suffering from this war. So I try to make this video. I had one channel before the war, but I couldn't know, and I lost the channel because I couldn't hire this for children. There was a column for not for children, but I couldn't search the settings. So our YouTube channel was deleted. So once again, I am here. Please, dear friends, subscribe and we will come with more updates. Thank you, friend. Dear, take care. Bye.